Tulips are native to Central Asia and were first cultivated by the Turks in the 11th century. The name, tulip, comes from the Turkish word, tulbend, which means turban. This is because the shape of the tulip flower resembles a turban. During the 17th century, tulips became so popular in the Netherlands that a period known as tulip mania occurred. Prices for tulip bulbs reached incredibly high levels, with some bulbs costing more than a house. Tulips are part of the lily family and come in a wide variety of colors, including red, pink, yellow, orange, purple, and white. The petals of tulips are edible and were commonly eaten by the Turks during the Ottoman Empire. In fact, tulips were used as a food source during times of famine. There are over 3,000 different varieties of tulips, each with their own unique color, shape, and size. Tulips are known for their ability to continue growing after being cut, which makes them a popular choice for floral arrangements. Tulips are phototropic, which means they grow towards light. This is why tulips often appear to be leaning towards the sun. The black tulip, which is often associated with mystery and intrigue, doesn't actually exist. The closest thing to a black tulip is a dark purple variety called Queen of the Night. In the language of flowers, tulips symbolize perfect love, and different colors of tulips have different meanings. For example, red tulips symbolize true love, while yellow tulips symbolize friendship. Tulips have an interesting property known as breaking, which causes them to display variegated patterns of color. This occurs when a virus infects the bulb, which causes the petals to become streaked or mottled with different colors. Some tulips, such as the ice cream variety, have a unique shape that resembles scoops of ice cream. The petals of these tulips are often twisted and ruffled, giving them a unique appearance. Tulips were once used as a form of currency in Turkey, and were even used to pay dowries. Tulips are the national flower of Turkey and Iran, and are also the official flower of the Netherlands. Tulips are often associated with the arrival of spring, and are one of the first flowers to bloom after the winter. In fact, the annual Keukenhof Tulip Festival in the Netherlands attracts millions of visitors each year. The largest tulip fields in the world are located in the Netherlands, where over 7 million flower bulbs are planted each year. Tulips were one of the first flowers to be grown in space. In 1982, a Dutch astronaut named Wubbo Ockels brought a bulb of the red impression tulip aboard the Space Shuttle Challenger. Tulips were used during World War II as a symbol of the Dutch resistance against Nazi occupation. Dutch citizens would wear tulips to demonstrate their support for the resistance movement. In 1637, a single tulip bulb was traded for 12 acres of land in the Netherlands. This trade occurred during the height of tulip mania, when the value of tulip bulbs reached astronomical levels. The colors of tulips can change depending on the pH level of the soil they are grown in. For example, pink tulips can turn blue if grown in acidic soil, while red tulips can turn orange if grown in alkaline soil. The word tulipomania is still used today to describe a financial bubble or craze. The term was first used to describe the tulip market in the Netherlands during the 17th century. The bulbs of tulips are often used in the production of cosmetics and skincare products. The bulbs contain a high amount of antioxidants and amino acids, which can help improve the appearance of skin. Tulips were once so highly valued that they were used as a form of currency, and some traders would even go into debt to purchase rare bulbs. In the Netherlands, tulips are grown not only for their beauty, but also for their bulbs, which are a major export crop. The petals of tulips are not only beautiful, but they also have practical uses. In the past, tulip petals were used to make dyes for fabrics, and the sap of the tulip plant was used to make glue. Tulips are popular not only for their beauty, but also for their fragrance. Some varieties, such as the Angelique tulip, have a sweet, floral scent. The tulip is often used as a symbol of prosperity and abundance in feng shui, a practice of arranging one's surroundings to promote harmony and balance. In some cultures, tulips are believed to have magical powers. In Persia, it was believed that if a person wore a tulip on their clothing, it would protect them from evil spirits. The lifespan of a tulip is relatively short, usually only a few weeks. However, with proper care, tulips can last longer, and their blooms can be preserved by drying them. The world's largest flower garden, Keukenhof, located in the Netherlands, has over 7 million tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths planted each year, attracting visitors from all over the world.